In this video, I want to talk about how you can pay with Trading 212 virtual card. So first, make sure that you get the virtual card. You can do this simply by going to the card tab, select the virtual, and then select the card you want. Now, to actually pay with it, there are two different ways that you can do this. The first one is you can find the card number and stuff on it, and then just insert manually. Or what you can do is you can add it to Apple or Google Pay. So if we go in here, you'll be able to see that you can go to the cards menu, just where you were before, select the card that you have, and then you can add to Apple or to the Google Wallet. Then you can simply pay with your phone this way. Or if you wanna enter it in, you can go in here and select the card and then click on show details, card info and show details, and it will show you the entire card number and the CVR number and everything that you need to actually make a purchase. So that's basically how that works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.